How to fix video not importing in Kdenlive. First of all, check that the video file format is supported by Kdenlive. It works best with common formats like MP4, MOV, AVI, and MKV. If your file is in a rare format, try converting it to MP4 using a free converter tool before importing. Next, make sure your Kdenlive version is up to date. Older versions can have bugs or missing codecs that cause import problems. If the file format and software are fine, try clearing Kdenlive's cache. Another common fix is to reset your project's profile. Go to Project, Project Settings, and ensure the video profile matches your source footage resolution and frame rate. Mismatched profiles can cause import errors. If the issue persists, try importing the video into a different project or restarting Kdenlive altogether. Sometimes a fresh start fixes temporary glitches. And that's it. Now you know how to fix video not importing in Kdenlive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.